Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add EVM chain to Trust Wallet. So open the Trust Wallet website on your or the app on your mobile device. Click the settings icon at the bottom right corner, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead, and tap Wallet, right? And then tap Wallets on your existing wallet, and then tap the plus button to add any new wallet, and then add custom network, or may also list it as network or chain, and then enter the following details for EVM chain that you want to add: network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and symbol in block explorer URL. And then after entering the details, tap save or add to complete the process. Once added, you can switch to the new network by selecting it from your wallet list, and by following these steps, you can add any EVM compatible chain to your Trust wallet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.